Hi, I'm Jason Schneider. I'm here at Marc School of Woodworking, and today we're in a workshop titled Creating with Corrugated Cardboard. Turn, cut, carve, fill, and illuminate. So we're taking basic cardboard, this is a triple layer cardboard here, and we're laminating it together to create a larger blank that then we can use our woodworking equipment on. So this was, just a stack of cardboard that we glued together. We cut a blank out of the center. We mounted it to the wood turning lathe, and we ended up with a turned corrugated cardboard bowl. And so what's neat is you can kind of see right through that cardboard at times, and so it kind of disappears as you walk around it. So we're doing a lot of other things. Some of the students are getting into segmented cardboard. This now is cardboard, but it's also filled with plaster. Segmenting is when you take different cuts of either wood or cardboard and glue it up into different orientations. That's what I'm doing here. And there's an example of it right here where you can kind of see right through some of those pieces. And besides that, we're also working flat. Our wonderful intern Will is offering to use the CNC on some of our panels that we're making. And so this here is a corrugated cardboard panel that has a bunch of circles cut out with the CNC, and then we're tinting plaster and we're pushing it in here. So we're really doing a lot of different things. We're even going to get into some segmenting. So this here is a table base that I've made prior to coming here. And so these are staves that we'll, explore this and see what kind of things we can make. A vessel. Will was wearing this on his shoulder. Maybe it's some sort of wearable. So we're just having a lot of fun exploring what we can do with the material. And it really is beautiful when you start cutting into it and start seeing these lines. It's just something you can't avoid, but want to touch and feel. And we're just having a great time. All right, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the future.